amazing. Check out this mural. Oh, that thing is so sweet. Big Boy 4014. This thing passed through here not too long ago and it was amazing. Hopefully it comes back through. I'm at the Morrilton Depot. This thing is amazing. Walk around the other side and see if we can't see more of it. Got the handrails to grab a hold of when you're trying to hop on the train. I guess it was pretty useful back in the days of the brakeman. Got lights up on top. I guess you have those instead of having lanterns. So this must be like a late model Caboose. So awesome. Love seeing these old Cabooses. Union Pacific. Windows are made of like plexiglass. Must be replacements for the real thing. What are those? Oh, okay, those like lights. Maybe they're missing the bulbs. Well, alright, well, here it is, folks. Union Pacific Caboose in Morrilton, Arkansas.